We all seek happiness, but sometimes it feels like it is out of our reach. What if I told you that being happy is not about changing your entire life, but it is about adopting a few simple habits? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 habits that has helped me to cultivate happiness in my daily life. These habits are backed up by science and have been also practiced by some of the happiest people around the world. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfy, and let's explore the path to a happier version of you. Number one habit is to enjoy or accept what is happening now. Who says that happiness comes from big adventures or grand experiences? Sometimes it is those little things that get us most of the joy. That is why my number one habit to become a happier person is to enjoy those little things that are happening right now. It can be as simple as feeling the warmth of the sun on your face or listening to the birds sing. These things are happening now and they have the power to make us feel good if we take time to notice them. Instead of letting your mind wander all over the place, try to stay present. Take a deep breath, see around, and appreciate little things that are happening right in front of you. It can be as simple as enjoying a cup of coffee or feeling the softness of your pet's fur. These moments might seem very insignificant, but it can create a great impact on our overall happiness. Instead of constantly chasing after thrills and adventures, try slowing down and appreciate the simple pleasures of life. Practicing this habit called mindfulness helps you to feel more happier because you're focusing on what is happening now instead of stressing about the past or the future. I never realized that how much happiness I was missing out on by not fully embracing the present moment. Living in the present moment is not always easy, but it is definitely worth it. I have learned to appreciate beauty in each moment and find happiness in those little things. Number two habit is greet strangers on the street. So I decided to try something new, saying hi to strangers on the street. At first, I was nervous. Saying hi to people I didn't know. It was little scary, but then I had decided to give it a shot. And let me tell you, it was totally worth it. This habit has literally doubled my happiness. Every time I greeted someone with a smile or a friendly hello, something amazing happened within me. Not only I made them smile back, but I felt happier too. And you know what? It is not about making them feel happy, although that is good too, but it is about feeling more connected to the world around you. Suddenly, I was not just walking down the street in my own little bubble, but I was very much a part of this community, sharing smiles and friendly hellos with my fellow humans. Plus, saying hi to strangers have helped me to break out of the shell and become more confident. I've realized that people are friendly too if you give them a chance. And if they don't say hi back, that is okay too. The important thing is that I put myself out there and spread a little happiness along the way. So, if you're looking for a simple way to boost your happiness in your everyday life, I highly recommend giving this habit a try because you'll be amazed at how such a small thing can make a huge difference in your life. Number three habit is keeping a gratitude journal. Keeping a gratitude journal has seriously changed my life, and I think it could do the same for you. Basically, it is about having this little book where you get to write down about things that you are grateful for. It could be anything, small or big. So, when I sit down to write down on my gratitude journal, I give my brain a little boost of happiness. So I get to think about good things that has happened in my life and it instantly boosts my mood. And the good part is that the more I focus on the things that I am grateful for, the more good things seems to come to my way. It is like I'm sending out good vibes into the universe and they return back to me in even bigger ways. Plus, looking back on old journal entries is like flipping through happy memories. It is a reminder of all the amazing things that you have to be grateful for, even on your toughest days. So, if you ever feel overwhelmed, I highly recommend giving gratitude journaling a try. Trust me, it is a game changer. Number 4 habit is letting go. One of the most powerful habits that I have adopted is learning to let go. And this has made a practical difference in my life. By letting go of things, I have significantly reduced my stress levels. Whether it is worrying about the future or dwelling on my past mistakes, I have learned to accept that some things are beyond my control. And this acceptance has brought a sense of peace and calm to my life. I have realized that holding on to anger and resentment can only hurt me. By forgiving and moving on, I can strengthen my connection with others. By letting go of regrets and what ifs, I have learned to live my life in the present moment. Instead of being preoccupied with the past events and future uncertainties, I have learned to enjoy what is happening right now. And this shift has made everyday experiences more enjoyable and fulfilling. Letting go of fear of failure has allowed me to take more risks and try out new things. I have learned that mistakes are opportunities for growth and not something to be feared. This mindset has opened up new possibilities and experiences enriching my life. By letting go of negative self-talk and self-criticism, I have developed a more kinder and compassionate relationship with myself. Accepting as I am has boosted my self-esteem and overall happiness. Letting go of need for perfection has helped me to become more resilient. I understand that setbacks and challenges are part of life, and instead of being discouraged, I have learned to keep moving forward. Number 5 habit is being around happy people. Surrounding myself with happy people has significantly boosted my happiness. Happy people tend to radiate this positive energy, and being around them naturally lifts me. Their happiness is so contagious that it makes me feel more optimistic and cheerful. Happy people tend to be more supportive and encouraging. They celebrate my success and help me see the bright side during tough times. This support system has helped me to become more resilient and confident. Being around happy people has led to more healthier and fulfilling relationships. These positive interactions have improved my overall well-being and made me feel more connected and valued. Happy people often inspire to pursue my own happiness. Their attitudes and lifestyle is a model for how I can bring happiness and positivity in my life. Happy people usually handle their stress more effectively and have healthier coping mechanisms. Learning from their example has helped me to manage my own stress more effectively and also have a more balanced outlook. Number 6 habit is getting enough sleep. Getting enough sleep has made me feel more positive and less irritable. When I am well rested, it becomes easier for me to be calm and happy throughout the day. Adequate sleep has boosted my immune system and my overall health. I get sick less often and have more energy, which contributes to my overall sense of well-being. With enough sleep, my concentration and productivity have improved. I am able to think more clearly and get things done more efficiently, which has reduced my stress and makes me feel more accomplished. Sufficient sleep helps me to manage my emotions better. I feel more balanced and less prone to anxiety, making it easier for me to handle my daily challenges. Being well rested has helped me to be more patient and attentive in my interactions with others. This has strengthened my relationships and made social interactions more enjoyable. Adequate sleep enhances my resilience, allowing me to bounce back quickly from setbacks. In this way, I feel more equipped to face life's challenges with positive attitude. Number 7 habit is caring about small things. Paying attention to small things has made a big difference in my overall happiness. Celebrating small wins and progress, such as completing a task or learning something new, gives me a sense of accomplishment. These small victories then boost my confidence and motivation. Caring about small things foster a sense of gratitude. I have learned to appreciate little blessings that often go unnoticed, which has made me more thankful and content with my life. Paying attention to small details in my interactions, such as remembering my friend's favorite snack or complimenting my colleague at work, has strengthened my relationships. It is a way of showing that I care and value deeper connections. Overall, caring about small things have enhanced my happiness by bringing more joy, gratitude, and connection in my daily life. Thank you for watching. Your support means the world to me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more such content.